Oh boy, here we are. We're ready to eat for the coronation because we have to have British stuff. So we're having bangers and mash. Yep, as you can see, Jack is really, really thrilled with tonight's dinner. That would be King Jack, Sir Jack. Maddie, would you like to try a wee bit of banger? Oh, Jack, are you departing? Are you abdicating? What's going on, buddy? You're doing well. Oh, Jack has this little thing that happens, but he's really into the coronation. Just wanted to let everybody know that Jack is so happy to be enjoying the coronation because he just wants to watch it on TV. So we will all be up at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning in the US, in Florida, and then we will be watching the Kentucky Derby. It's been a complicated week. Yeah, it's tough. I mean, I'm King Jack. I've got like the cat's rule thing going on here, so yeah, it's. Anyways, so on my menu is Chef Maddie's menu is bangers and mash, which is, as everyone knows, just mashed potatoes and sausage and peas, which Mom doesn't particularly like the pea thing. Sorry, didn't mean to offend the pea people, but yep. Anyways, so cheers. Bring on the coronation. And we are having fun. Oh, Jack, that's really quite a nice look. We just have to adjust your crown. You can't have a bad crown with the coronation. So, anyways, enjoy your evening. Get up at 5 a.m. like everyone's doing in the US, because we did that with Princess Diana, and we did that with Kate and Will. So, yep, there's a lot of royal watchers in the US, especially in Florida, especially as Canadian transplants. So we just have to get up early and straighten our crowns. We are good. All right, well, cheers to the new monarchy. First time in 70 years. It's a pretty awesome experience for everyone, especially cat's rule. All right. Hope everyone's enjoying their British dinner tonight. Oh, what's happening? Oh, we're having a little rebellion. No, I think we're good. Anyways, so cheers to the coronation. We will see you tomorrow early. What? Are you complaining? No, there's no complaining for the coronation. So, all right. Cheers. I know, Jack, it's like, you'll have to swear it again. It'll be fine. You're good. It looks great. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely fabulous. Good man. Then we're on to the Kentucky Derby. Oh, the king is repositioning. Oh, it's kind of nice. You want some bangers and mash? Good man. Good man. Right. But anyways, cheers to everyone. Thanks for watching.